Hi, this is a demonstration of some of the tools that are available in Google Docs that may be helpful to you and your students. I'm going to access these tools through the Tools menu right here. I'm just going to highlight a few of these. The first one is word count. This has always been an option in Google Docs, but now there's an added function that you can display the word count while typing. When I turn that on, you'll see in the bottom left of the screen, as I start typing, those words will, the number of words will show down here. If I open up the menu, it will also show me the number of characters, and then I can also, and the page, how many pages I've typed. Then I can hide the word count from here and turn it on again when I want to use it. The next tool is the Explore tool. This can also be accessed from down here in the lower right hand of the screen. Two ways to open up the Explore menu. But once I open that up, I can search not only my own docs, but in my drive, I can also do a web search. So right now, it's going to see what I already wrote. So I already wrote about typing. So it's going to see if there's anything else on typing. So it's going to suggest topics. But I'm going to go in and do my own search on Christopher Columbus. And it brings up web articles. It will bring up images that I can drag and drop onto my document. And will also search my drive for anything that's available there. So I'm going to go and find a web article that may be accessible. Here's one for kids. So I'm going to open up. That'll open up in another tab. And I'm going to quote some text from this article. So I'm going to go right here and triple click to select that text, copy it, go back to my article and paste it in. I need to click where I want to paste it. And I'm going to go back to where I found that article before I close that Explore pane and click on Cite as a Footnote. And I should have been right here in my text. I'm going to try that again. I don't know why it wants to put that underneath it. Now I'm citing it multiple times. Finally, I put it in the right place. So it's going to cite that, and then you'll notice at the bottom of my Hi, this is a demonstration of how to use some of the tools in Google Docs that could be helpful for you and your students. I'm going to access these tools from the Tools menu. I'm just going to highlight a few of these. The first one is word count. This has always been an option in Google Docs, but now it can do even more by displaying the word count while you're typing. I'm going to click OK, and it brings up this little box in the lower corner of my screen. And once I start typing, it will show how many words I've typed. If I open up the menu, it will also show me how many pages, how many characters I've typed. I can hide that box right from here and then open it up again from the tool menu. The next tool is the Explore tool. It can be accessed in the tool menu, but also down here with the Explore button in the lower right of the screen. I'm going to click on Explore, and I'm going to search for Christopher Columbus. And scroll down to find an article that I might want to quote. Here's one for kids. It will open that website in another tab on my computer. And I'm going to select this text right here by triple clicking in the paragraph. I will copy it, go back to my text, my document, click where I want to put it. And I'm going to put my cursor here because I want to add a footnote. When I go over here to where I opened the article and click the citation marks here, you can see it's added a little one here, and then down at the bottom of my doc, it has cited that citation for me. All right. The next tool is the Translate Document tool. So I can translate any document into almost any other language. I'm going to translate this document into French, and notice that it will open up a new document, create a new document for me that's called the translated copy of my text doc, and it's translated everything that was in my document. And I still have my original doc right here in English. The next tool is the voice typing. So this can be really handy when, for some reason, you or your students don't have access to a keyboard, or there's an accessibility issue, or maybe your students don't know how to type. So they can just go right here. As soon as this microphone turns red, then it will activate the speech to text function. So now it is printing the words that I'm speaking. Notice it didn't pick up my which is nice, period.